of the Horse, 3rd of December 97, by Eleazar Harash, translated by Ruah Ezekiel, narrated by Daniel King. First, the horse is an expression of one allegorical language of nature. The horse symbolizes the nobility of the way which must be travelled by the human consciousness. In the Taoist teaching, it is said that the white horse is not a horse. It is a being of the non-being. It is not an earthly reality. According to the Taoists, the power of the white horse consists in this, that it responds to the boundless. When the person takes root in the boundless, they can become noble, while the dolphin symbolizes seeking the secrets in the underwater depths. The horse seeks the secrets in the boundlessness. For this reason, the white horse is already not a horse. It is transformed in the invisible world as one luminous energy. Here, I want to tell you that in the other world, not only the horse, but the animals in general do not have a spiritual body. They return into one luminous centre, a central monad, which is governed by archangels. Both the horse and the dolphin have understood that the true sacrifice is a process inward. This means that whoever seeks external ways will not ripen for the way of Tao, and they will not ripen for the shining of the colour white, because this shining comes from the inside. The great way is internal, and such is the striving of the white horse. Unity with the non-being. The white horse is aimed beyond the boundaries of the world. When we speak of the other horses, they symbolize the human mind. For example, the red horse. When I say to you that the white horse is aimed beyond the boundaries of the mind, this means that the person must outgrow the limits of the mind. Immortality is found beyond the boundaries of the mind. The white horse is an idea of the void, and therefore it is not born in the world, but it is only present. And only a few know the secret of its presence. The horse is one symbolic mediator through which the void is achieved. The mediators through which the void is achieved are the fine energy and the utmost purposefulness. These words, utmost purposefulness, have a special meaning in the secret teaching of Tao. They are considered to be the most important thing through which the true way is achieved. Lao Tzu says, the main thing in movement is peace, because the main thing is peace. This means that this movement is aimed towards merging with the truth. In Taoism, it is said, the wheel spins because its axis is immutable. This means that movement must have something to rely upon. If the person has constant love, then they have something to rely upon. On the other hand, it is only in a state of peace and immutability that the person can gain their own true nature. In this sense, movement is a way towards peace, and peace is a way towards the innermost reality, the great voidness. To dream of riding a white horse is one of the greatest symbols, because the white horse, this is the ennobled and pure energy through which the person returns into their center. The white horse symbolizes the purity and dynamism of energy.